Hey, what's going on, guys? Caucasian Mark here, whitest dude on the internet, and in this video we're working on labeling elements in our form. Now, some of this we've touched on previously, but if you're first joining us, what we want to do is have our input type, and then below that we want to give that type a label. So, what is it we did before? So we did, input. We had, all this, filled out. Pepperino, what's going to leave is pepperino, and it says text, so let's just do radio. Why not? Radio, right? And so we have that there, but what if we don't want to have that there? What do? What if we don't want to name it directly here because it may be a little gaudy? Some of you may have thought before, why don't we use the paragraph tag there? So I'm going to show you another way to format all that. So let's come into here and let's just make it a radio button. And then we're going to have, let's just see here, what do I want to do? So I'm going to name this, since it's all going to be the same. I'm going to have, what's going to do, name, let's just do topping style. And this value is going to be, I like pepperino, so we're going to keep it as that. And then we're going to give it an ID. And we're going to name this, let's just do, we can name it the same as pepperino. Let's just do, or not, you know what? Let's do topping style 01. I know it's kind of long, whatever, but we'll see how this works in just a minute. So then we're going to come down below. We're going to make a label, and it's going to say for. Now, what does this for mean? Now, if you're a programmer, you understand for, it could be a for loop. But not in this sense. For means for what ID? Well, we have an ID right here. Awesome stuff. And we're going to see how this works in a minute. So let's go ahead and save this. And you see that this is blank, right? This is producing this right here, but this for that we see right here, we're going to put it topping style 01. Awesome stuff there. So we have that. Then we're going to go in between here, and then we're going to type pepperino, and then we see that now that's pretty cool, right? So let's come down and do a second one. Gonna space out a little bit. Gonna type it out by hand as much as I can bear to. So you type another radio button in there. Our name is gonna be topping style. And our value is gonna be, let's just say sloth, because we want sloths on our pizza. We're gonna give it an ID. That's not what I wanted. Ignore all that. One day they'll get it right and have a smart suggester on here. Then we're going to do topping style 02. We're coming down here and we're just repeating what this line says right here. So we're going to say, actually, I'm going to do that. And so label, we want inside of here this ID value, which is going to be topping style 02. We're going to come in here and type in sloth. It's really not that much of extra work. And so we have this right here, but oh no, these are on the same line here. Does that matter? It depends how you want to style your website, right? But one thing we could do after we have this label up here, or we could add it in here, I'll just add it, the break right here, and then it bumps it down. Now if we wanted another break because we like to have that extra space, we could do that as well, and it still works. So this is kind of a way of separating the logic here, but you can make your radio button, or you can even do a checkbox as well. It doesn't matter. As long as you give that an ID value and you come into label and say, for this ID, this is what the name of it's going to be. That's pretty cool stuff, pretty simple. Have fun, practice it. If you have any comments, leave them below. Like, share, subscribe, all that other jazz. and I'll see you in the next awesome, epic, riveting, action-packed video.